that process needs repeating for all of the insulation that uses a modern CLS timber. So it's all of these and then half of this one, because this is an original joist and this is not. So to do that, we just get underneath, mark the lines, mark where the edges of all of the battens are, like this. We can mark which are the bits to cut away, and then we'll trim it all with the router.
So there's two ways you can go about marking the undersides of the insulation boards. Now this way is a bit awkward, but if you've got access still, then it's a little bit quicker. So you get down on your belly and just trace the line along all of the battens under the joist, so that you can then lift it out and mark where the places are you've got to remove the insulation from. But sometimes that's not possible, you just can't reach everything. So the alternative is to lift the piece of insulation out, flip it onto its side and drop it back down into the opening.
So I'm going to do that and that, that and that and that. Cut out, that's a cutout, that's a cutout, that's a cutout, and that's a cutout of the joint.
If you find yourself in this predicament like I am, then there's a couple things I would recommend. Firstly, make sure you're using dust extraction with your router. That's really important. Secondly, well, you can see here every so often I have to stop what I'm doing, take the battery out of the router and use some long nosed pliers to pull out the bits of foil. So in order to prevent that, if you make the first cut on each end, you can peel the foil off, making the resulting cuts a lot more straightforward.
Okay, so we're ready to put these back in for the final time.